In this video, we are going to be looking at the Bwise 6-foot by 12-foot low-profile dump trailer, model number DT612LP-LE-12. Its GVW is 12,000 pounds. The empty weight is 2,620 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 9,380 pounds. The interior dump bed measures 6 foot wide by 12 foot long. It is 20 inches deep, and there are stake pockets the shape of 2x4s, which make it easy to build up the sidewalls. The total length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 16 feet, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 92 inches. This DT612LP-LE-12 includes a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler and an 8,000-pound drop leg jack. It's a power-up gravity-down unit with a 4-inch hydraulic cylinder and a double-eye spring suspension system. It comes with two 6,000-pound Easy Lube axles and a 2-way combo gate. The pins can be removed from the bottom of the gate, allowing it to be used as a spreader, or it can be opened from the center like barn doors. In addition to this unit also includes a set of slide-out ramps and D-rings. Some other popular options for this trailer include a Tarp kit, a spare tire mount with spare tire, an aluminum wheel upgrade, and a wireless remote. The battery on this trailer will trickle charge while it is plugged into the towing vehicle. For those who wish to charge their battery between uses with a standard 110-volt outlet, a battery charger can also be added. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com, or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.